say I do. I do. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeah. Look, Ferraris go so fast that when you pass it, blow they hair back. Put some feet up on that, and I bet you who they step at. Hey, shout out to my homies, no though. Shout out to my Air Mac. Crispy know what I laid at. In the trouble where I stayed at. She a female, say I played that. Shout out won't give me her ways back, but I just brush her off like a nigga try to get they waves back. She just on her day job, and ain't no bitch gon' take that unless they want their hair pulled, they eyebrows or they face scratched. Sold that, but don't talk about it, cause it ain't gaining me cash now. Feds come, my life just like you in a thong, assed out. Corzo got me passed out, and if you ever spaz out, I'm disrespectful, I'll sex your mom and then drink some rum at your dad's house. Big Sean voice, oh yeah, I do it. Young A see my name, she got that tatted on her booty. And bragging about it's useless when I got it. I got her, and I'm just loving everything about her. Ferrari, and I'm thinking I could life her. My ex-girlfriends don't like her, cause with them it's a rap, like a cipher. Spit some, young and make my chick come, and money make my bitch come. I'm talking about two different girls, which one? I know the stars align, but it seems you picked the big one. And damn it, I'ma shine, cause it's destiny's decision. The chef is in the kitchen, the recipe's attention. I'm never leaving with ya. Vroom, yeah. Yeah.